So fam, I wanted to show you some of my updates I did to the inside of my RV. Just something little, things I had and I was trying to use. So I had some seat covers that I had for my vehicle that just didn't work out. And I chose to bring them into the RV and make them work out for me. So let me just show you around so you can see. This is where I usually always sit. You know, I'm always up in front. My mom has the bedroom and she has the TV, so she has her stuff in the back. But this is where most of the time where I'm at. Even I'm on this side when I'm working, and then I have everything set up, and then I look at my big screen TV as a second monitor. I used to have another monitor stand, which I've shown in previous videos, but I don't really use that much anymore. I'm trying to get as minimalist and you reuse and buy things that can be multi-use, multitask. I'm trying to cut down on the stuff that I'm carrying because I know that I'm bringing a lot. This video is just to show you some of the little updates I did inside. I showed you some of the updates that I did at my paradise. So this is just me trying to reuse products that I already have. So here, and this is lived in, so this is how I normally have it over here. You can see my bedding that I always put up. You know how people say try to make your bed every day? I try. I don't do it every day. So here is the seat covers I reused. Yes, they don't have that part up there, but hey, they match. There's my pink and black. I love them. And let me bring it a little closer. I actually used some black material to cover my curtains because they were tan and I didn't like that. And you know, everything I want is pink and black. So I did the curtains, and to hold the curtains, look what I did. I even got a pink cover to hold the curtains when they're being pushed back. So hey, I'm staying with this pink and black, and I'm trying to do all this myself. So that's the one curtain, and then on this other side is the other curtain and the other chair. And then let me show you over here. Here is the other part of the seat cover that I didn't think it would fit on this chair, but it fit. Look at that. It's not perfect, you know. Let me show you some of my imperfections. Look, it's not perfect. You can see that, but you put a nice little black pillow there. It looks cute, don't it? So I'm just taking stuff I have at home because I have a lot of stuff. Let me not say use because I still am. I'm a shopaholic. But I'm trying to get to a point to reuse. So again, I was surprised this seat cover actually fit this my long chair, what they call a jackknife chair, because I use it as a bed. So, fam, let me just push it back a little so you can see. Don't it look cute? Don't it look cute? And then I'm gonna do something better than what you see with the shades, because like I say, I do work here, so I don't like the sun on me, but I love the view. But with the way they are now, I don't like how I was going to do it. So I'm going to do a little DIY project on that screen that I brought. Didn't work out, but can't return it. And it cost a pretty penny, so I'm going to try to reuse those. And I'm going to custom make my own shades for my windows, so I can now keep my shades open and not have to worry about that sun beating down on you. So look out for that DIY coming. So fam, I just wanted to kind of show you a quick update, and it's all about updates, the changes I made here. Oh, and I also forgot, if you look at here, I even put black material over my window. I didn't do the other side yet because I was trying that out, and it actually looks pretty nice.